1000 LB Sisters, where is Chris Combs now? Inside his life after season 7. Chris Combs has quietly become a fan favorite on TLC's hit reality show 1000 LB Sisters, and since season 7 wrapped, viewers have been eager to know what he's been up to. Known for his humor, determination, and unwavering support for his sisters Tammy and Amy Slayton, Chris has built a loyal fan base who are following his journey closely. After playing a pivotal role in motivating Tammy to take her health seriously and supporting Amy through her weight loss and family life, Chris seemed to step back from the spotlight for a bit, leaving fans with a lot of questions about his current life. Many are asking if he has continued his weight loss journey, what his health status is now, and whether he will return for future seasons. After season 7 ended, Chris reportedly focused more on his health and personal goals away from the cameras. During the season, viewers saw Chris undergo weight loss surgery and work hard to shed pounds alongside his sisters. His progress was celebrated by fans who saw how committed he was, not only for himself but to inspire Tammy and Amy. Post-surgery, he was able to move around more easily, enjoy activities he had missed for years, and even expressed interest in doing things he couldn't before because of his size. Since filming wrapped, sources close to the family have shared that Chris has continued to maintain a healthier lifestyle and has been dedicated to keeping the weight off. While he is not as active on social media as Amy or Tammy, some rare updates have hinted at his ongoing success, leaving fans proud of his progress. Family remains the center of Chris Combs' life, and much of his time after season 7 has been devoted to spending more quality moments with his wife Brittany and their children. The show has often featured Chris's home life, giving viewers a glimpse into his supportive marriage and his role as a father. Off camera, he seems to enjoy a more private life, occasionally appearing in family photos or updates shared by Amy. Reports suggest that he has been focusing on bonding with his kids, taking short family trips, and doing activities that he previously avoided due to mobility issues. His improved health has given him a new appreciation for these simple joys, and he has mentioned that being around for his family for years to come is his ultimate motivation for maintaining his progress. Career-wise, Chris has not publicly shared major changes since season 7, but he has reportedly returned to living a routine that allows him to focus on both work and health. Some fans have speculated that he might be filming content for the new season or considering side projects related to his weight loss journey, but nothing official has been announced yet. Despite his lower public presence, he has remained an integral part of the 1000 LB Sisters story, and TLC viewers continue to root for him. His comedic timing, heartfelt moments, and genuine personality make him a natural on the show, and fans hope to see more of his life unfold in future episodes. Chris's impact on Tammy Slayton's journey cannot be understated, and even after the cameras stopped rolling, family insiders suggest that he continues to be a major source of encouragement for her. With Tammy making headlines for her skin removal surgery and ongoing weight loss, Chris has reportedly been there to support her milestones, cheering her on just as he did during their joint weight loss efforts. This bond between the siblings has been a highlight of the series, and many believe their shared experiences are part of why Tammy has seen so much recent success. Meanwhile, Amy, who has faced her own challenges balancing motherhood and health, also continues to rely on Chris for guidance and emotional support. As for what's next, fans are already buzzing about a possible season 8 of 1000 LB Sisters, and speculation about Chris's return is high. While TLC has not officially confirmed the new season, insiders claim that filming is underway and that Chris could appear in a mix of family-focused scenes and updates about his health progress. Whether or not he takes a central role, viewers are eager to hear directly from him about how his life has evolved since season 7 ended. The mix of anticipation and curiosity shows just how much Chris Combs has resonated with the audience. He's become more than just a side character. He's an inspiration for those following similar weight loss and wellness journeys. Ultimately, Chris Combs' life after 1000 LB Sisters season 7 seems to be a blend of continued dedication to his health, quiet family moments, and the possibility of more reality TV appearances in the near future. His journey from struggling with weight to regaining mobility and confidence has struck a chord with fans, and his story is far from over. As Tammy and Amy's lives continue to make headlines, Chris remains a steady, grounding presence in the Slayton family, admired for his authenticity and perseverance. Whether he steps fully back into the spotlight or continues to live life more privately, his journey will always be an inspiring chapter in the ongoing saga of 1000 LB Sisters. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.